Okay,
I just took one.
That looks like 3 beers.
It is like one beer.
It's one beer.
Alright.
You guys want to see some crazy shit?
No.
Brass knuckles.
Oh no.
Brass knuckles, bitch.
Brass knuckles.
I've witnessed those before on Kirk's face.
Good night.
Actually, it was not that fun.
I just want to say good night to everybody.
It's not good.
It was
Drink
nice.
it.
It was nice
Stop being a
knowing
bitch
you.
and drink it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Drink
Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Now I'm gonna hit it in the stomach.
Go do it.
Good job, Dennis.
I'm sorry. You got yes.
It was nice. Very good.
Did he bong it?
Yeah, he just bombed it. He almost had the last.
Funny. He goes.
The last sip was too much. No, he loves. I don't know what that was, but ew, it's so gross. Stop it, Dennis. I'm good.
That's wearing a fucking green shirt.
I'm good, dude.
He's good. Peek him out. He's definitely good.
Oh, dude, I'm definitely good. Let's go. Let's go. Fill it up.
Oh shit, he's doing it again. Throwing it up.
My tummy hurts.